Hi, I'm Sam from Fine Country. Welcome today to Everton in Northamptonshire. On the outskirts of this wonderful village is Brickfield Barn, one of the most incredible barn conversions with beautiful views and amazing sunsets. There's circa 15.6 acres and extra land available, which could make the ideal home for an equestrian enthusiast or anybody who wants to keep livestock. Come with me and we'll take a good look round. Set in the beautiful Northamptonshire countryside, this stunning barn conversion is enveloped in gardens and has a beautiful courtyard. The house itself has an open plan feel with a kitchen living space, glazed windows taking in the views, exposed timbers, an arbor and a beautiful dining room overlooking the garden. There's underfloor heating and highly attractive exposed brickwork. There's a sitting room with delightful fireplace and a spiral staircase that leads to the mezzanine, where there's an alternative seating area and a study. The guest suite is particularly stunning, with its own bedroom area and walk-in shower. There's a further bedroom wing with 4 more well-proportioned bedrooms, a family bathroom, and an impressive master suite with exposed A-frames, brickwork, oak floors, and a stunning ensuite with walk-in shower and high-quality tiles. Adjacent to the house is a barn complete with solar panels that provide an annual income of around £4,000. The property is 1 point off an A rating, illustrating excellent environmental credentials. This is a stunning home in a super setting. Join me at the end of this tour in this beautiful setting in the Western Fields, just below Brickfield Barn, which is just over my shoulder. If you would like to know a lot more about this property or join me for an exclusive viewing, then contact us on the details that are about to follow.